Welcome to another SMC technical training video. In this video, we will show you how to set up communication and control for your IO-Link PF3W7, ISE70G, and ISE70. During the video, we will show you the equipment and software you will need and show you step by step how to complete it. In the end, we will verify that the PLC and IO-Link master are on the network of your choosing. Let's get started. Please refer first to our PF3W7 and ISE70 video for general hardware layout and setup. You'll need a PC, software, and network communication to complete this configuration. Next, we will set up the IP address for the IO-Link devices. Download and install the commercial IO-Link master control software and operating instruction manuals. Then, set the IP address for the IO-Link master as per the manufacturer's specifications. Next, we need to set the IP address for the PC. We can do that quickly from the control panel by going into Change Adapter Settings. Go to Properties, select Internet Protocol version 4, then enter the PC IP address. Next, install the IO-Link PF3W7, ISE70, and 70G IODD files into the IO-Link master control software. Verify that each are discovered and have the correct port. And we need to verify the IP address is set for the PLC. Equipment settings will vary. Each device needs to use the same local area network so that IO-Link can be shared between the IO-Link master, PF3W7, ISE70, ISE70G, EX260, and ITV. Finally, to set up the PF3W7, ISE70, and 70G for the desired screen display settings, please refer to the IO-Link ISE70-70G YouTube product video on our channel, and the PF3W7 and ISE70-70G operation manuals or quick guides to further customize programming. Now that we have verified that all devices are on the network and have set display settings, we're ready for the next step. We hope you found this video useful. In the next video, we will map the data between the PLC and IO-Link master so that the water recirculation circuit switch ports can monitor the application's fluid and air, pressure and flow.